If we just have a very myopic view at the energy system, energy companies, electric companies, how much adoption of open source you see is already there, or you feel that we still have to do a lot of work to educate them about the benefits of open source, so instead of them solving their own problem by their own efforts, they can benefit from the work that LF Energy, RTE, Alliander are doing there?
It depends on which kind of digital service we are speaking about. If we are speaking about IT for IT, for example, virtualization of servers or containerization, orchestrating these containers, etc., it's obvious. The best way from a commercial and financial and technical point of view will be the open source. And everyone is ready for that on the industry. But when you are speaking about the core business, the service, the digital services of the core business, the C-level is more used to have a contract management with a service level agreement, and they sometimes fear open source because the demonstration of the core business needs has not already done widely. But there is pioneers like RTE, like Alliander, like now United States and Canadian utilities that begins to build an OSPO, so have a strategy on open source for the core business. And here we have great surprises. The promise of the benefit of open source are now demonstrated in few actors. For example, at RTE, our control room are based on open source solution for a part of the core business needs. So this kind of demonstration make a very snowball, I don't know if a snowball effect, and it's very efficient.
And if there are organizations who are new to open source, who are planning to embrace open source, and they're also looking at, let's set up an open source program office. What is your advice to them as a vet?
They should be here at this meeting, but it's a joke because it's not possible. They will see after. So I think they will have to care about something like the to-do group, which is the Linux Foundation documentation and definition of the initiative of an OSPO. There is also the OSPO++ initiative, who built the concept of OSPO. And I think OSPO for Good is also something very interesting because OSPO for Good is connected to the United Nations organization. So here we are speaking about why should you care about having an OSPO to do open source in your core business, but for the global social welfare, for peace, for the future of our children's. So OSPO for Good, I think, is maybe the best part to see what this is all about when you don't know what is it about.